Presenting Acer Aspire 3 laptop. This laptop comes with Windows 11 Home. Built with latest Intel Celeron N4500 processor with 2 cores, 4M cache and up to 2.80 GHz. It has 8GB LPDDR4X memory and 512GB SSD. Designed with 15.6 inches Full HD screen with 1366 x 768 resolution, narrow border and Acer blue light shield. This includes optimized camera and microphones for enhanced video calls. It offers flexible connectivity options through USB 3.0 ports and HDMI port. The box includes laptop, power cord, adapter and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking, and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Hi there, let's talk about Lenovo V15 G4 laptop today. This laptop comes with the 15.6-inch 1920 by 1080 display to enjoy clearer, sharper images. This laptop comes with an 8GB DDR4 RAM so you can multitask smoothly with everyday applications like Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint. You also get a 512GB SSD storage capability. You can comfortably store your game files, video content and large application files. This laptop comes with 2 USB 2.0 ports and 1 USB 3.0 port. The laptop weighs 5 grams, which makes it easy to carry. This laptop comes with built-in speakers providing an enhanced multimedia experience. The laptop comes with 1 year's on-site warranty. Thank you.
Presenting the HP 255G9 Ryzen 3 dual-core AMD Ryzen 3 processor 3250U. It comes with AMD Ryzen 3 3250U dual-core and 1 super speed USB Type-C 5 Gbps signaling rate. It comes with 8GB RAM and 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD. It has 39.6 cm, 15.6 diagonal HD display. The Lenovo V15 G2 has a 15.60-inch display for viewing content. With dimensions of 35.9 cm length and 23.6 cm breadth, it weighs 1 kg 700 grams for easy portability. This lightweight laptop is compact for taking anywhere. This laptop has a full HD resolution display with 1920 by 1080 pixels. The screen uses LED backlighting for vibrant images and lower power consumption. With Windows 11 pre-installed, this device offers 256 GB of storage space to survey your files and data. The 8GB RAM enables efficient multitasking and system performance. A notebook for daily computing needs powered by Intel Celeron N4500 processor with integrated graphics, 8GB RAM, 256GB solid-state drive storage, and lithium-ion polymer battery to enable portability. The configuration aims to offer responsive performance for common tasks. This laptop has Bluetooth version 5.1. with a USB 3.2 Type-C port, headphone jack, and USB 2.0 Type-A port. This laptop allows you to connect all your essential peripherals. The USB-C port enables high-speed data transfer and charging, while the classic USB-A port provides universal connectivity. And the headphone jack lets you plug in your favorite headphones or MX for audio in and out. Presenting the Acer 114 Business Laptop AMD Ryzen 3 3250U processor. It has OS, Windows 11 Home. It comes with the AMD Ryzen 3 3250U processor of 2 cores and up to 3.5 GHz of max turbo boost. It comes with 2 memory DIMM slots for expandability and DDR4 system memory. It has 14 inches HD 1366 by 768 resolution with anti-glare LED backlit TFT LCD display in display resolution maximum 1366 by 768 HD. It features software included webcam. It also features HDMI, USB 3.2, Gen 1, Type A and C ports and fast connectivity through Gigabit RAN.